How to configure automatic software updates on your iPhone. If you want your iPhone to automatically download and install the latest iOS updates, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're inside Settings, tap on General. Now, tap on Software Update. Next, tap Automatic Updates. Here, you can customize how your iPhone receives software updates. Turn on Download iOS Updates if you want your iPhone to automatically download new updates when they're available. You can also turn on Install iOS Updates to allow your iPhone to automatically install downloaded updates, typically overnight while it's charging and connected to Wi-Fi. If available, you can also enable security responses and system files to automatically receive important security improvements and system files from Apple. Once you've finished configuring the settings, simply go back or close the Settings app. Your changes will be saved automatically. So, it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.